Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix custom SSL installation issues in HostGator. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and check your certificate files. Ensure that you have the correct certificate files, CRT, private key, or intermediate key certificate. And then log into the HostGator account and go to the hosting control panel, navigate to the SSL section and remove any existing SSL certification. Go to the SSL section again and select custom SSL, upload and paste the certificate or private key or intermediate certificate files. Then ensure your domain is correctly pointed to HostGator's servers, and then basically check the DNS2 settings to confirm that a record points to your server's IP address. Verify the SSL certificate files have the correct permission and ownership. Restart your web server from the control panel to apply the changes. If the issue persists, contact HostGator support with the details of the error and steps you've taken. These steps should help resolve custom SSL installation issues on HostGator. So that's right on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.